Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will draw and color a bright and colorful parrotfish together. Parrotfish are marine animals that belong to the vertebrate group, so please take a close look at their unique features to help you recognize them more easily. Now, let's start drawing. Parrotfish are tropical fish, well known for their vivid colors and their special mouth that looks just like a parrot's beak. Their teeth are fused together, allowing them to scrape algae and seaweed off coral reefs. While feeding, parrotfish also grind coral into fine sand, which helps create the beautiful white sandy beaches we often see in tropical oceans. They usually live in shallow, warm waters and swim in small groups. Parrotfish play a very important role in the ocean by keeping coral reefs clean and healthy. And now, it's time to start coloring. So, we've finished drawing and coloring this beautiful parrotfish, haven't we? Follow the channel to continue exploring more amazing and fascinating marine animals together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching!